Hello and good morning students. Today we will do exercise 1.3 NCERT. Now children, this exercise 1.3 is based on the concept of subsets, power set, universal set and intervals as the subset of the real numbers, which we have done in the last video. So let us do exercise 1.3 of NCERT. Now children, exercise 1.3, question number 1 is make correct statement by filling in the symbols, subsets or not the subset in the blank spaces. Number 1 is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, blank space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is subpart number 1. Obviously all elements of the first set are also the element of the second set, so it is a subset. Number 2 is A, B, C. Blank space, B, C, D. Clearly A belongs to the first set, but A does not belong to the second set, so this is not the subset. Number 3 is X says that X is a student of class 11 of your school, and second set is X says that X is a student of your school. Obviously class 11 student of your school is also a student of the school. So in number 3 it is subset. In number 3 it is subset. Number 4, X says that X is a circle in the plane, and the second set is X such that X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. So obviously all the circles cannot be included in the circle of radius 1 unit. So number 4 is not the subset. Number 5, X such that X is a triangle in a plane. The first set is X such that X is a triangle in a plane, and the second set is X such that X is a rectangle in a plane. So clearly children, over here also not the subset. Number 6 is X such that X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. This is the first set. Now the second set is X such that X is a triangle in the plane. So obviously all equilateral triangles are triangles. So children, number 6 is also subset. Number 7, X such that X is an even natural number, and the second set is X such that X is an integer. Obviously in the integer we will get all the even numbers also, so number 7 also is subset. I think you understand children. This is very easy children. You should try to attempt by your own. Now let us go to question number 2. Now question number 2 says that Question number 2 says that examine whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1 is set containing AB is not the subset of set containing B, C, A. Obviously children, all the elements of the first set are also the elements of the second set. So the first set is a subset of the second set. So this statement that it is not the subset is wrong. So this statement will be false. Now number 2, the first set is set containing AE, and it is given subset, and it is given X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Obviously AE is a part of the vowel because the vowel set is A, E, I, O, U. So AE is a subset of the set of the vowels. So this statement is true. We will write true. Number 3, set containing 1, 2, 3 is the subset of set containing 1, 3, 5. It is given subset. Now obviously over here 2 belongs to the first set, but 2 does not belong to the second set. So again this one is a false statement. Number 4. Set containing A is the subset of set containing A, B, C. Obviously A is contained in the second set, so this statement will be true. Number 5. Set containing A belongs to set containing A, B, C. Clearly children over here, set containing A is the subset of the set containing A, B, C. But set containing A does not belong to the set A, B, C. That is, we can write over here that A belongs to the set containing A, B, C. And set containing A is the subset of set containing A, B, C. I think children, you understand the difference between belongs to and subset. We have explained it in detail in the last videos. So over here, this statement also is false. Next, number 6. Number 6 is x such that x is an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number less than 6 is 2, 4, I think. Now this is given is the subset of x such that x is a natural number. So 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Obviously 2, 4 belongs to the set 1, 2, 4, means each element 2, this 2, 4 is contained in the set. So 2, 4, the set containing 2, 4 is subset of the set containing all natural numbers. So this statement is what? True. So this is true. No, x is a natural number which divides 36. Sorry. I'm very sorry children. Number 6 is x such that x is an even natural number less than 6. So it is 2, 4. And it is the subset of x such that x is a natural number which divides 36. So natural number which divides 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, then 12, then 36, sorry, 18, then 36. 18, yes, 1836. So obviously this 2, 4 is contained in the second set. So this also statement is true. Now let us go to question number 3. Question number 3 is, if A is equals to set containing 1, 2 and set containing 3, 4 and 5, which of the following statements are incorrect and why? So number 1 is 3, 4 is the subset of A. Children, again and again I am saying, and whatever the elements of a given set that belongs to, but if we write it in the set form, it is the subset of the given set. 3, 4 is an element of A, so subset is wrong. So we will write over here incorrect. Incorrect, as 3, 4 belongs to capital A. Now number 2 is 3, 4 belongs to capital A. Obviously it is correct. Number 3, set containing 3, 4 is the subset of A. I was saying it right now. Set containing 3, 4 is the subset of A. So it is a correct statement. Number 4, 1 belongs to capital A. Obviously 1 belongs to capital A. So this also is a correct statement. Number 5 is 1 is the subset of A. Obviously this is wrong children. 1 belongs to A, but 1 is not the subset of A. What will be the subset of A? Set containing 1 will be the subset of A. So this statement is incorrect. Number 6 is set containing 1, 2, 5 is the subset of A. Obviously A is containing 4 elements, 1, 2, set containing 3, 4 and 5. Over here the 3 elements has been written, 1, 2 and 5. It is the subset of A, so it is correct. Number 7, set containing 1, 2 and 5 belongs to A. No. Element 1, element 2, element 5, element 3, 4 belongs to capital A. Only 4 elements are there. Over here set containing 1, 2, 5 is not an element of A. So this is incorrect statement. Children, have the concept clear. Once you have the concept clear, every question is a toy for you. You can play with that. So let us go to the next. Number 8. Set containing 1, 2, 3 is the subset of A. This is obviously incorrect. Incorrect. As, because it is asking the give reasons. So as over here we can say 3, 1 belongs to capital A, 2 belongs to capital A, but 3 does not belongs to capital A. Over here set containing 1, 2, 3 is the subset of A. We cannot write because 3 is not an element of, simply write as 3 does not belongs to capital A. Simple. Now number 9, 5 belongs to capital A. Here none of the elements are 5, so 5 does not belongs to capital A. 5 is the subset of A. Number 10, yes. So over here we will be writing incorrect. Incorrect as the only 4 elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 does not belongs to capital A. Now number 10, 5 is the subset of A. This is correct because empty set is the subset of every set. Now number 11, set containing 5 is the subset of A. Again, if 5 is an element of the set A, then set containing 5 will be the subset of A. Here none of the elements of A are 5. Therefore this statement is incorrect. Incorrect as 5 does not belongs to A. Children, this question given in NCERT question number 3, the purpose of this question is just to make you clear with the concept of subset and belongs to. So I think with this example you understand and your concept of this belongs to and subset is clear now.